Morning, guys. So this morning got a call from a customer, stated they had a fuel leak on a return line. It's a 2001 F-250 with a 7.3 diesel in it. But anyways, got here, they already had the return line. I've already got it changed out, but I've still got it pretty much apart. I can show you quick tips on what it did to get the old one out, get the new one back in without hardly any fighting whatsoever. So initially, switch you back over to the other way so you can see what somebody did previously on this thing. So previously, somebody did that number. They decided, I don't know if it rusted a hole in it and they decided to do that, or if they were changing it out based off the other lines. I'm going to say this one was replaced at one point, but my guess is somebody was changing it out, cut it, put a hose over it with some hose clamps so they could finagle it in place. So for me, easiest way I found to do these is that intake tube, got it removed, loosen the bottom clamp up so you can pivot it up like so, get it out of your way. Your solenoids here, there's 3 bolts and nuts that hold them in place. They're all slotted, so it's a matter of just tilting it just right and sliding it over. Anyways, once you do that, it pretty much allows that brand new line that you see in there already to go right underneath, all the way back there to the back and whatnot. Yeah, it went right in, literally fell in place with a tiny bit of twisting to guide it through, but got it all back in, already kicked the key on, verified there was no fuel leaks now. So yeah, you ever got to change the right side return line out for a 7.3 diesel, that is your quick tip on how to get it done. So there you go. If you didn't know how to do it, now you do. Everyone have a good day. We'll see you later. Feel free to subscribe. Click the button on there. Subscribe to my videos. And we'll continue on. Y'all have a blessed day.